Okay, here we are. I believe I'm getting to the last joint here, and there is a slight offset right at the end of the run, and I'm not able to get around it to the city. I believe the city is just beyond it. I can see PVC there in the corner. It's just a really tight turn, and you can see this is the water's draining on the bottom up the side of the pipe, and so my camera is going in that same direction where that water's pooling there. There's no way to get around that. I've tried no skid and 2 different kinds of skids. So I'll locate it and see if that's in the city. If it is, then we're probably good because it's PVC. But I'll do the rest of the inspection here. The total length is about 130. This last length of pipe is all cast. It's got a really great pitch. Chimney's down right there, so it definitely takes a dive. So that's about 20 feet of pipe. That's cast iron. The rest of it, here's PVC, and then I think this is CPVC, or maybe it's just regular PVC. It's blue PVC, and it's new pipe all the way back towards the house. There's the front clean out here. It's about 100 feet away. So that's in the yard. No offsets, nothing like that. No damage. No roots. So it's all in pretty excellent shape. This clean out cap needs to be replaced. You can see it's broken on top too. So I'll put it back in, but that should be replaced. That's about the only thing I can recommend. Thank you.